Hello again, my lovely learners. It's great to have you here with me today. You know, I really enjoy these little lessons we do together. Just you, me, and one useful English word. And today's word is a good one. It's short, strong, and full of energy. Ready? Today, we're going to learn the word burst. So, what does burst mean? To burst means to break open suddenly or to explode. But not just physically. You can burst with emotion too. You can burst into tears, burst out laughing, or even burst with pride. It's all about something big happening very quickly. Boom! It just happens. Here are 5 examples to help it sink in. The balloon burst when it touched the hot lamp. She burst into tears when she saw her lost cat again. We all burst out laughing at his terrible dancing. The water pipe burst and flooded the whole kitchen. I was so full after lunch I thought I might burst. All right. Now, let me tell you a little story using the word burst. It's a short one, just 10 sentences, but it'll help you really feel the meaning. Yesterday, I was walking home when the sky suddenly burst with rain. It came out of nowhere. 1 second sunshine, the next, a storm. I didn't have an umbrella, of course. Typical me. As I ran for cover, my phone buzzed. It was a message from an old friend. I hadn't heard from her in years, and suddenly I burst with happiness. Memories came back so quickly, I almost burst into tears. I found a cafe, sat down, and replied with a big smile on my face. The waiter brought me tea, and I accidentally made him burst out laughing with a silly joke. You know what? Sometimes life just bursts into color when you least expect it. And that's the magic of little moments. Quick, surprising, and full of feeling. So, there you have it. The word burst. Strong, emotional, and now part of your English. Don't forget it, and try to use it this week. See you next time for another word. Take care and keep learning.